channel Embracing Life, and it is December, the last month of the year 2022, and winter has arrived. So in today's video we are going to be doing the last cash stuffing for the year 2022. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the video. So like always, this amount, that is 1000 rupees of this savings, is an online transaction. So this is going to stay in my account and this is directly transferred from my account itself. And the other two amounts I am going to stuff into my savings challenge binder, that is this binder right here. So let's move everything aside and let's see how much we have in our cash pouch. So let's bring out the cash here and place it aside. I hope you can see it here. Let's arrange everything and I'll be back. So we have got the cash here. Let's give it a count. 500, 1000, 500, 2000, 503, 504, 505, 56, 57, 58, 59, 5, 10,000, 511, 512, 513, 500, 14,000, 200, 300, 400, 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 950, 16,000. So we have a total of 16,000 right here. Let's separate them. So everything is set up. Now let's start with the wallet stuffing. So first comes my wallet and the mini envelopes. So stuffing से पहले unstuffing करते हैं, देखते हैं कि कितना बचा है. So in eating out, I have 100 rupees left. Travel, I have nothing left. For fun, पूरा 500 rupees is left for fun because November was very busy और मैंने उतना कुछ किया नहीं, बाहर नहीं गया था. And lastly miscellaneous में I have I think 200 because 100 travel में use हो गया था. Last time I have went overboard in travel, so I have used up the remaining 100 rupees. So total 500, 6, 7, 800 rupees I have saved from the mini envelopes, and this is going to go into the saving challenges. So let's begin with the stuffing now. And here you can see the amount. I hope this is visible. So starting with eating out is going to get 2500, but मैं अभी सिर्फ 1000 rupees देती हूँ क्योंकि the remaining 1500 rupees I always keep in my binder for safety. So here is 1000 rupees for eating out. Done. Next is travel. Travel is going to get 500 rupees and I don't have a lot of change. I was supposed to put change in travel also, पर मेरे पास अभी उतना change नहीं है, तो मैं अभी for the time being I'm just putting in a 500 rupees note in travel. So travel is done. Next is fun. For fun again 500 rupees. Oh, I'm going to use this 500 because ये पहले से ही फोल्ड किया हुआ था, तो मैं ये वाला 500 रुपीज़ का नोट यूज़ कर लूँगी. एंड मैं यहाँ पे एक अच्छा 500 रुपीज़ से रिप्लेस कर दूँगी क्योंकि मुझे ये सेविंग चैलेंज बाइंडर में रखना है और मुझे फ्रेश नोट्स ज़्यादा पसंद है, सो इसीलिए. सो दिस इज़ 500 रुपीज़. एंड लास्टली मिसलेनियस में 300 जाएगा. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस 300 रुपीज़ for miscellaneous. So this is done. These are the mini envelopes: eating out, travel, fun and miscellaneous. So fun envelope को भी I don't keep in my wallet क्योंकि रिस्क हो जाता है. I don't want to carry so much. मुझे उतना कैरी नहीं करना है wallet में. So I am only going to keep these three mini envelopes in my wallet. So my wallet stuffing is done. Moving on to my low priority sinking funds. You can see the budget breakdown here, and low priority sinking funds is in my pink binder. So ये pink color का binder है. I love this. And let's move on to the low priorities one. First अब यहाँ पे this is the envelope where I put the rest of the eating out money. So I'm gonna put the remaining 1,500 rupees in this envelope. So here is the rest of the eating out money, and for the same entertainment also मेरे पास एक envelope था, तो I am using this envelope only to keep the fun money. For giving, I am going to give 200 rupees. So I am going to use smaller notes for giving. So 50, 100, 200 rupees. And last time का giving मैंने utilize नहीं किया था, so 200 was still remaining. In total we have 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 50, 400 rupees in total inside giving. Next is personal. For personal, I am going to give 2,000 rupees. So here is 2,000 rupees. And now in personal total I have 500, 1,000, 500, 2,000, 5, 3, 5, 4, 500, 5,000 rupees. So पर्सल में टोटल मेरे पास 5,000 रुपीज़ है. December 22 deposit I have given 2,000 rupees. So in total I have 5,000 rupees, and this is going to be minus. ये minus होगा क्योंकि ये spent में था. Okay, next we have shopping. In shopping we are going to give a 500 rupees, and the total is we have 500, 1,000, 500, 2,000, 100, 20, 30. So 2,130 rupees in total in shopping. So December 22 deposit. Okay, next is wardrobe. Wardrobe is also going to get 500 rupees, and the total amount that wardrobe has now is 500, 1,500, 1,600. Okay, next we have self-care. Self-care is again going to get 500 rupees, and in self-care, abhi total 500, 1,000 and 100 rupees is there in self-care. And lastly is back to bank. So this is the low priority sinking funds filled for this year, the last stuffing of this year. Low priority sinking funds done. Moving on to the high priorities one. ये मेरा पर्पल कलर का बाइंडर है हाई प्रायोरिटीज में, हाई प्रायोरिटीज के लिए. सो मैंने अभी रियलाइज़ किया कि मैंने इसको रिप्लेस नहीं किया था, क्योंकि मैंने 300 रुपीज़ यहाँ से लिया था, तो आई शुड पुट बैक 300 रुपीज़ हियर एज वेल. एनीवेज, let's move on. So these are the high priorities budget for me. For hobby I am not giving anything because I already have 900 rupees in hobby, so I think that is sufficient for this December. Next is life happens. Life happens is for any emergency, so I am going to give 500 rupees for life happens. So let's see how much is there in life happens. So we have 500, 1,000, 500, 2,000 and 500 rupees in life happens. Next, medical. Medical के लिए I have got 1,000 rupees. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई ऑलवेज पुट 100 रुपीज़ का नोट. मुझे पता नहीं, मेडिकल में मैं हमेशा 100 रुपीज़ का नोट ही देती हूँ. सो आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू गिव हर 100 रुपीज़ नोट. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and one more. So 1,000 rupees. And in total medical we have wow, कितना सारा 100 रुपीज़ का नोट है. लुक एट द थिकनेस. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई डू दिस, बट करती हूँ मैं. सो 100 200 300 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 1 2 3 4 5. So 2500 is there in medical. So this is a test also for my envelope कि इतना मोटा होने के बाद भी this does not rip off. So that's good. So in medical I have put for December. Next is travel. For travel मैं इसको भी build करना चाहती हूँ because I don't know when we are going to be called for travel. So I'm gonna give 2,000 rupees for travel. So 4 notes of 500 rupees. 1 2 3 4. So in total travel में we have 500 1000 500 2 500 3 500 4000 500 5500. So in total we have 5,500 rupees in travel. Okay, next we have subscriptions. Subscriptions I always give 500 rupees, but I am going to give these notes. So 200 rupees 300 400 500 because इसमें से 200 rupees खर्च हो जाएगा and 300 rupees is going to stay. So in total we have 200 400 500 600 700 800 900 1100 rupees. So in total 1100 rupees. So इसमें से क्या होता है, हमेशा 500 rupees I deposit and 200 rupees हमेशा खर्च हो जाता है for OTT subscriptions, Netflix, Hotstar, Prime, ये सब. और बाकी 300 rupees I keep it saving up in here क्योंकि मेरा फ़ोन रिचार्ज ईयरली आता है, तो I recharge it with that. So उसके लिए मैं इसको यहाँ पे रहने देती हूँ. So for vacations I will be putting 1,500 rupees this time. So 1 2 3. So vacations के लिए I am going to use savings challenge kind of tracker. मैं ये यूज़ करती हूँ. So मैंने 1,500 दिया था, तो I will be coloring with green. 1 pair of slippers. Okay, so I have colored in. This is 1,000 and this is 500. So total 1,500 I have given. So we in total we have 500 1,000 500 2,000 500 3,000 500 4,500. So 4,500 4,500. This is correct. So this is vacations. Next is festivals. Festivals में I am not stuffing anything right now. So it's going to be empty for December. For gifts, I am going to stuff 1,000 rupees. So gifts में I have in total 2,000 rupees. 5152. So in gifts we have 2,000 rupees. And lastly, my birthday is not going to get anything this month. So this was all for my high priorities sinking funds. And I hope you like them. And the remaining amount, that is this one, this is 500, 1,000, 500, 2,000. So this is the 2,000 rupees that I will be adding into my savings challenges along with this rollover money, that is this 800 rupees. So 2,800 rupees is the total amount that is going to go into my saving challenges. That is this binder. This is the savings binder. इसमें मेरा saving challenges है, तो इसमें ये जाएगा. और so stay tuned for that video. That will be the next video that I will be doing after this. And I hope you really liked this video. If you did, please give it a like button, share it with your friends and subscribe कीजिए ताकि मुझे और मोटिवेशन मिल सके to make these videos. And I really apologize because मेरा हिंदी उतना अच्छा नहीं है, पर फिर भी I am trying because one of the viewer has requested कि मैं हिंदी में भी समझाऊँ, तो इसलिए I have tried to explain in हिंदी also. तो अगर कुछ गलतियाँ हुई है तो प्लीज़ ओवरलुक कर जाएं. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.